snow. We have a lot of stuff to get done today. But first on the list, coffee.
What you have with the fries?
Unfortunately, I don't have any ice, so this isn't an iced coffee, just cold coffee. Definitely a little strong. Yum. Also want to put some whipped cream on it. This chocolate hazelnut. This candy cane. All right, the outdoors is clean now, but now I'm gonna spray off the floor mats. So let me get those out. This is literally so bad. Okay, finally we're gonna start cleaning the bathroom. This has been on my to-do list for 3 to 4 days now, and I never got around to it, but we're getting around to it today. So let's clean the bathroom. I'm gonna show you guys the before. The before, I mean, it's not horrible, but she's not looking the greatest, and it's kind of stinky in here. So let's get her cleaned. Hey, I'm gonna get this trash bag. There's a lot of stuff that needs thrown away. I'm gonna remove everything off this counter. Wait. All right, we're gonna start from the bottom to the top and go through. All right, let's wash the mirror now. Am I the only one that as soon as I get back home, I put my comfy clothes back on? Because I definitely put my jeans back on as soon as we got home. Now you guys are back on the floor because we need to clean out. We need to clean out the cabinets. We're up here because we're gonna have to reorganize all this. I did change my mind. I'm gonna put my everyday skincare in here, and then just stuff that I use every once in a while is gonna stay up there. All right, I'm just gonna make my way around the room. I gotta move all this stuff off. I wasn't going to deep clean the bath, but I'm going to go around and spray the sides off. He's going to clean the shower. While he cleans the shower, I'm going to clean the shower doors. I use razor to help get rid of some of the water stains. Okay, I'm going to mop the walls. Okay, the bathroom is done. I just mopped it. I'm waiting for it to dry so we can put everything back in it. But for now, we're done.